Hey guys, Chase with the Boatler here, your Yacht Armor certified installer. We just wrapped up an incredible day sword fishing here in Venice, Louisiana with Captain Michael Gray on the Cajun Odyssey, a beautiful 37-foot Freeman that we just laid Yacht Armor on the inside gunnels. Captain Michael, what's been your experience with Yacht Armor since we've installed it the past month?
So you know, Chase, I mean, originally everybody waxed their boat. And then,
or ceramic.
Well, and then we came to ceramic. But all of that's worn off. Everything's worn off. And Yacht Armor is an actual film that you can't see. And the fish that we catch, the blood just comes right off. The swords, they try to whack it, knock it. It saves my gel coat, saves my boat. You know, man, it's no more waxing, no more ceramic coating. It's of the future, I believe. This guy, when he comes on the boat, he's trying to tear up your gel coat, man. But if you've got Yacht Armor, you don't have to worry about your gel coat getting all dinged and tore up because it's a protective film. You can't see it. And look, what you put on my screens, dude, the bomb. Now, in the low light conditions, not only can I see, but if there's a glare, it doesn't exist anymore. I mean, Simrad did the best they could, but Yacht Armor took it to a different level, right? I run this boat in a charter operation.
Correct.
This boat's on the water almost every day. So it helps my sled look new, even though it's old, right?
All the time.
All the time. And at the end of the day, the best thing, you just spray it off, man. The salt just washes right off.
What is Yacht Armor gonna do to your vessel when it comes to return on investment when you do get a new Freeman and when you go sell this one and get the next one? What is Yacht Armor gonna do help prevent in those aspects?
It protects my investment, man. I mean, when I get ready to sell this one or to pass it on down the line, it's gonna be worth as much or more because I've taken care of it. And I've taken care of it because I've got Yacht Armor.
And especially when you tell them, hey, you don't have to buff or wax this boat or call your detailer.
This is the best investment protection
that you would not wait on.
I know what I see from Yacht Armor and I wouldn't wait.
All right, guys, you heard it here. Venice, Louisiana, Captain Michael Gray, Chase with the Boatler, your Yacht Armor certified installer from Picola to NOLA. You can find us at getyachtarmor.com on our certified installer locator, or you can find me at chasetheboatler.com or hit me up on my hip.